In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Just Dance 2024 on the Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Playing Just Dance on the Nintendo Switch is extremely simple. First, you will have to acquire a copy of the game. You can purchase it digitally from the eShop, or if you prefer, you can look for a physical copy. Usually, if you find a physical copy, it is going to include a code that you must redeem inside of the eShop, and I'm going to show you how. But to my knowledge, Just Dance is mostly going to be available through digital storefronts. So either go into the eShop or look for another retailer that offers the game. So, immediately after acquiring Just Dance 2024, you will be able to redeem it if you got a code. To redeem it, go into the Nintendo eShop and use the menu at the left side of the screen to redeem a code. You can input the code there, and immediately upon redeeming the code, the game is going to get attributed to your account. You will find it on the home screen of the Switch ready to be downloaded. Of course, if you purchase the game digitally from the eShop, it is going to appear in there directly. You don't have to do this additional step. As soon as you download Just Dance 2024 for the Switch, you can open it up and you will get instructions on how to set up the game. And you will be ready to play either single player or online multiplayer, couch co-op, etc. You will have to connect to a Ubisoft Connect account, and after you are done, you are going to have full access to the game and all the songs included. There might be expansions or add-ons that you can optionally acquire, but for the most part, buying the base game is going to be enough. So this is all you have to do. Access the eShop and look for Just Dance, purchase it directly from there, or acquire it from a digital storefront anywhere that the game is available. Connect your Ubisoft Connect account and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Just Dance 2024 on the Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.